Step 4, marking is next. I'm going to square a line all the way around the wood, and I call that squaring around. Now it's useful to get really good and fast at this because all your joints are marked out this way. It's also a useful reference later, as you'll be able to see easily how accurately you have sawn. So, to ensure that your lines are going to meet up, we're going to use the following technique. We will work from the face side and the face edge with your tri-square. So that means that the stock of the tri-square will always rest on either the face edge or the face side as you mark around. Okay. Now there are two ways to place your hand on the tri-square. Make sure that your wood is with the face side up and turn your body almost at right angles to the wood. The piece you're going to mark is on your left. We've established that. Rest the stock of your tri-square against the face edge if it is facing you, and tuck your thumb around the handle, a couple of fingers on the blade, and your little pinky extending across the wood. If your face edge is on the other side, then place your stock on it with your fingers on the handle, a finger on the blade, and your thumb around the wood. This is the best position to always keep the control of your tri-square at 90 degrees. Okay, let's measure the first line. Push your tri-square, the stock of your tri-square, against the face edge and square through the line that the mark you've just made. I'll do mine dark so you can see. Now stop. This is the time to employ measure twice, cut once rule. So lay your measure back on and just check that it is in fact at the measurement that you want. If not, if you're more than a pencil line out, then I encourage you to rub it out and do it again. Now I could have remeasured earlier on, and I don't know about you, but I can easily mismeasure twice in a row. So because I've done an action in between and I've been distracted, I feel like I'm more likely to pick up any discrepancy this way. So let's continue with our second mark. Turn your wood up onto its edge and mark a line meeting that first one. This time your stock is on your face side. Turn the wood down. Your face edge mark is over here, so flip your square over so the stock is now resting on the face edge. The last line, up on its edge again, stock on the face side, good, and they should meet up. If your lines met up, fantastic, well done. It's a little bit tricky to do at first, trying to remember the technique. If yours didn't meet up, there's a few things you can check for. Firstly, it could be that you forgot to use the technique of the stock always on the face side or face edge. That's the first thing. Second thing is holding the tri-square. Really important to have complete control so that that's a straight line. And the third thing is that your actual tri-square may not in fact be square. And the way to test your tri-square is to find a straight edge, to push your stock up against it and make a line. Flip your square over and draw a line right next to that one, and if it's parallel then it's square. You're now ready to saw.